Go.
We've installed this post, and you can see it's level this way and level this way. It's perfectly level. It was a 8-foot post. We put it in 2 feet in the ground, and now it's in. And now we're going to put on our sign, our travel signs for our garden post. I want these posts 4 inches apart, so I've measured them. They're 1 3/4, so I made 5 3/4. And then we're going to put the other one on this side. Okay. So we mark 5 3/4 down like this, and that'll be the top of the next marker. And we take the next marker, and we put it to this mark here. I already have marks here on each side of where that post should be. Put it down to that mark. And we'll screw in. There, now we just take our level and make sure it's level, because our post is level and that's level. So could you come up just a little bit? There. An inch and a half there. And so it's straight on both sides. Let's put her in. Battery's almost dead, but I'll get this.
It looks straight.
Okay. We can check it by its straight by measuring from both these. 1 inch and a half and 1 inch and a half. Oh good, we'll continue.
Here's the pile of leftover sticks that we're about to put on.
Alright. This is 5 3/4, right?
Yep.
So now we want 5 3/4. Here, so it's 5 3/4, it's 11 3/4, 7 and a half, so 11 and a half. The top here. Okay, so if I put like that. Sure it's 11. Okay, can you pass me that?
The level? Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I made a mark.
Here is the level.
And then this one we're going to put in there. Put it on that mark. We have marks on here.
Perfect.
Look right.
It looks right.
Yeah, let's put her in. Oh, battery's dying, probably the last one. There, we'll make sure it's level.
Nice and level for you there. Folks, battery just almost died, so.
Battery's dead.
Oh, battery is dead. My bad.
Level. There you go. We'll put the rest on and we'll come back when we're done.
Do you want to say anything to the camera?
Okay. Okay, we're putting on the last one. Right here.
And these are places in Cuba?
Cuba.
And voila, it is finished.
We'll just level up the last one. There.